Good morning, my lovely kids. I hope all you are safe and well and enjoying at your home. This is our English class. Today we will learn sound of letter O and P. But before, we will revise some previous sound of letter A to N. So let's start. This is letter A. A says A. A says A. Long sound A. This is letter B. Sound of B is B. B. This is letter C. Sound of letter C is K. K. This is letter D. Sound of letter D is D. D. This is letter E. Sound of E is E. E. Short sound E. E. This is letter F. Sound of F is F. This is letter G. Sound of G is G. G. This is letter H. Sound of H is H. H. This is letter I. Sound of I is E. E. This is letter J. Sound of letter J is J. J. This is letter K. Sound of letter K is K. K. This is letter L. Sound of L is L. L. This is letter M. Sound of M is M. M. This is letter N. Sound of N is N. N. Now we will learn sound of letter O and P. So let's start. This is letter O. Sound of O is O. O. Sound of letter O is O. 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 Octopus. O. O. Octopus. O. O. Orange. O. O. Orange. O. O. Ostrich. O. O. Ostrich. O says O. O says O. Now we will learn sound of letter P. This is letter P. Sound of P is P. Sound of letter P is P. 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 Pen. P. P. Pen. P. P. Peacock. P. P. Peacock. P. P. Pin. P. P. Pin. Children, you know sometimes we says pen like pen. Pen. It is not pen. It is pen. Short sound. Pen. Pen. Okay. P. P. Pen. Now children, you have to revise all the sounds of letters. Till then, bye.